Found this 4-foot twin lamp Shoplight among my neighbor's trash and recycling bins. I wonder if it still works. Ballast is branded CDL. It is electronic. Claims mid-power factor, whatever that's supposed to mean here. Meant for driving 2 lamps, either T8 or T12 in a variety of wattages. Assembled in China. And available on eBay for about $10 US. Lighting in here is a bit different today, because the test subject stole the lamps from my Shoplight. No shorts on the mains input and no earth faults, so let's take it up on the Variac and see what it does. Variac on, that's current draw from the mains. Bringing it up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 volts. And it did absolutely nothing. I suspect this little pull chain switch could have something to do with the Shoplight not working. Meter is in continuity mode. Should hear that if the switch works. Well, there's your problem. Or at least one of them. Let's try this again. Variac on. Meter shows amps taken from the mains. 10 volts, 20, 30 volts, 40 volts, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 volts AC. What do you know? It works. And 0.7978 from the mains. Seems to be okay. How about a quick autopsy of the failed switch? Here we have the little ratchet part and the pull chain. Got this little square drive shaft, so when you pull it, only rotates 90 degrees and then latches in position. It's also very obvious is that there's this deposited material and scorching, so the contacts must not be very happy. Let's take a look at them now. Pretty simple. This little center bit rotates when the chain is pulled and the square shaft turns it. It's got 2 contact pads on either side. They're connected. But wait a minute. Isn't this supposed to be symmetrical? What happened over here? These thin, cheap copper spring contacts have simply eroded with use. This one is burned, but not too badly. This one has lost about 1 millimeter of material. It's deposited in a thin layer on the inside of the switch housing. And likewise, the little wheel here is eroded and burned. Metal from the eroded contact is deposited in a very thin film on the inside of the plastic case. Once it had lost enough metal, it arced worse and worse, until finally the tip burned off and the switch could no longer function. Once again, someone else's trash becomes something useful to me. Thanks for watching.